Today I'm going to show you how to easily make double exposure portrait effect in Photoshop. First, go to Select and choose the subject. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon and choose the solid color. In the color picker, choose white color. Move the color fill layer below layer 0. Select the layer 0. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the green forest trees. Change the blend mode of the green forest trees layer to screen. Position the green forest trees in the model. I'm going to speed this part up to save your time. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Go to Layer and choose the Create Clipping Mask. Double-click on the Fill Layer's color swatch. And pick the brightest color of the new image. And click OK. Select the Brush tool and choose the Soft Round Brush. And the opacity 100%, flow 100%. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. Click the foreground color and make sure the foreground color is black. And erase the extras. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the curve. And just follow these process. And this is the result.